What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Ty.
It's Cornelia.
And in today's video, we're basically going to show you what it is like in Arkansas today with all the snow.
It's terrible. It's terribly cold. I'm tired of it. I just want to get back to work. I'm tired of being at the house, honestly.
Yeah, because that check going to be looking kind of short.
I ain't going nowhere next week. Can't afford it.
No, it started snowing Sunday, and what's today?
Oh, my God.
Goodbye.
He was just standing in one spot.
What was I saying? Oh, it started snowing Sunday, and today is now Thursday. So we're just gonna take y'all on a little vlog with us while we go walking. What was that?
Snow fell right in front of you there.
Oh, okay. Well, peace out.
Oh, see you. It's warm enough to make a snowball.
Oh my. Oh. This ain't it, Chief. So for y'all, for those of you that don't know, Arkansas hasn't had snow in what, 5 to 6 years. So this is the first time in about 5 years since we done got snow, and it's about more than 8 inches. Oh. So we got multiple layers of clothes on, literally. Yeah, but they look like they didn't get very far with that.
They go hard. Didn't die, I'm happy.
Oh. Goodbye. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's such a beautiful day out here. Alright now.
I was trying to catch myself. This road is so up, boy. Now come over here.
Oh.